ready.
Okay, but speak up.
Wait, I'm going to play some music and do a dance.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You may do it.
Robert Hoover of Hoover's, a Dun and Bradstreet company, speaking on behalf of Roger Holmes, the most advanced carbon-based life form in the galaxy. Roger, you are an honored friend. I am delighted to have interfaced with you. May your batteries always be charged, Roger. And may the Hoovers be with you. I'm sorry I get carried away.
Oh, we'll try that again.
I get so emotional. So, what are you doing later?